So hey guys, so today I just got something, it's really basic. If you remember, I used these before. They're here to protect the plates. So you can see I got one on there. Same company I picked these up from, but they're a different gauge. So let me go ahead and open these up. I'll show you what they look like. So here they are. I got a 2-pack for front and back. Now these have a little film you take off. It just protects them from getting scratched. But I wanted something a little bit thicker than what I had. You can see there. They come in, it's hard sometimes because they come in all these different thicknesses. This one's really thin. Doesn't really hold the shape too much on the front, especially the front, since it has that bend on it. So this is the thicker gauge one. Same thing, same company. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description. It's a very cheap thing to do that'll protect your plates. Doesn't really need it so much in the back, but I will go ahead and install it. What it will do is prevent people from stealing your stickers, your registration stickers and stuff. But the front, I would highly recommend it, especially if you're running vanity plates. Protect it from rock chips. They're 100% clear. You can also get ones that are a little tinted if you want, but that's asking for trouble. Like I said, I do like these, and it gives the plate a glossy appearance instead of being that matte look. So as you can see here, it has film on this that you take off. Really nice. They're on both sides too. So you can kind of get an idea right there. You can see it's a lot thicker than what I used before, but still, of course, really flexible. You don't want them too thick, but it'll protect better on the front. And this front one, when I tighten it down, it kind of crimps too much because it's really thin. But this one I feel like will hold its shape. So here's the back one. You can see how it puts a little gloss on it as well. And people have asked me, does this trap moisture? What it does when you wash your car, there will be a little bit of moisture in between the frame or the plexiglass, the plastic, and then the plate. It will evaporate in a day. It always does. It will, like I said, the only thing is, each time you have to get this each year, you have to take the whole plate off to access it. Not a big deal, but I like it. I've ran these before, never had an issue with them. Technically, you can have issues only because it can put glares on it. So as far as like law enforcement seeing the plate, it could put a glare where they can't really read it. I've never had an issue personally with it. I do like it. Like I said, I just like, especially the front, it gives it that glossy look. So if you guys are wanting to protect your plates, I would highly recommend buying some. It's a cheap way to protect your plate. I've seen a lot of plates, if you guys have like these black plates on the front of cars, they get so rock chipped and it's just silver underneath, so it doesn't look that good anymore. Then they're, I think, $50 to replace one if you have to get a replacement. So it's a cheap way to protect it, especially on the front. I would say the front's a necessity, the back not so much. But I would highly recommend it with any plates if you don't want to have all these chipped up plates, especially if you do commute a lot in your car. So I just want to share that with you guys. I appreciate it. Hope everyone's doing good out there, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.